Welcome to Mastering CCPA, a comprehensive guide to California consumer rights, your ultimate roadmap to understanding and implementing the California Consumer Privacy Act. Whether you're a business owner, a privacy professional, or just keen on understanding consumer rights, this course has everything you need. Dive deep into the basics with our introduction to CCPA, where you'll learn the scope and applicability of one of the most groundbreaking privacy laws in the United States. Gain comprehensive insights into the critical rights of California consumers, including the right to know, delete, and opt out of personal data sales. Master practical skills in handling consumer requests effectively, establishing efficient processes, and ensuring every identity is verified with precision. Stay ahead in data management through our detailed modules on data inventory and classification, designed to empower you with robust data security measures and incident response strategies. Learn to craft CCPA-compliant privacy policies that not only meet legal requirements, but also build trust and transparency with consumers. Discover how Akitra can streamline your ongoing compliance efforts, setting you up for success in an evolving legal landscape. Expand your CCPA compliance knowledge at akitra.com/akitra-academy.